Today I will speak on AI. My topic is AI. I will speak on AI, which is artificial intelligence. It is a popular topic nowadays because it is growing and many peoples are taking help from AI. And first of all, I should tell what is AI. AI is a artificial intelligence which is made by humans. It make hard work to easy into the easy, and it find the solution of problem as well, and it work according to data, which data already exist in their memory. So according to that, he give the answer. Okay, and AI make help to people to giving any answer, and it is also making easy and fast to any work. Many peoples are thinking AI can take our job. So first of all, we should know no one is better than human. AI will not take our job. It will make easy to our job. What is advantage of AI? First, we should talk what is advantage of AI. Advantage of AI. It give us it help us to do any work fastly and easily. And then there is also many things which in that things AI can help us, and AI also giving their. So AI is also helping in many things. AI has also many advantage, like if we use unnecessary to AI, it can take our knowledge and many things. It can take our experience. If I am using unnecessary to AI, then AI can uh, if I will not do hard work, if I depend on only AI, then it can make me lazy. Then if I'm lazy, then it will difficult to alive in the world, because if I have to alive in this world, so I should smart, and I should be capable to do something. I should be skilled. Otherwise I cannot alive or live in this world. And AI, so as I was talking, come on that topic, as I was talking, AI will not take our job. How? Because AI is, if I want to create any web application, then I can give the image or idea to AI up as a prompt. Then AI will create that web page. AI will write that program in a second. And human, compared to human was writing, they was taking a days to creating any web page. Now we can easily create any web page, but any normal person cannot create like us. He cannot do each and everything. If he is thinking I can create a web page and anything, he is wrong. Because I should have knowledge of programming language and web applications. Then I can make anything with the help of AI. It will make my work easy only. But if I have knowledge, then I can make. Otherwise, I cannot make anything. I cannot use AI by creating a web page. If I have knowledge, then I can create, otherwise I cannot create. If I have to change something in web page, then how I will change? If I don't Yeah, many people are thinking I will give instruction to AI will change it. No, but as my desire, it will not become. According to me, it that will not become. So according, if I want to make according to me exact whatever I want, that things I can change there. And connecting data and many things are there which cannot cannot become without developer and without web developer and application developer. And we are getting also advertisement that we can create in a minute any application. That is also wrong. If I can create, yeah, that is right, but normal person not normal person cannot create any application and web web applications. Because if anything's happen, if I have to give instruction according to that what is happening inside in backend, what is happening, what should be in front end. But in backend what happened, normal person cannot understand. Only who has knowledge about backend and front end, then he can they can only they can understand, not normal person can understand. And that's it. Otherwise, if I will speak a lot, then uh, my video will become a large. And I have to create only normal video, like not more big. And so that's it for now. So I should complete this video here.